Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times. Students, make sure you bring it in each day. It's part of your uniform. Today's late duty is Miss Arch. Tomorrow is Miss Guidry. And Friday is Miss Duberg. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Refer to the grading parameters and make sure you are on track with entering grades. We are closing in on the very end of the quarter. Teachers, also make sure you are syncing often. There will be a follow-up from the meeting that Ms. Linscomb and I attended yesterday, but please make sure that you are syncing so that we can straighten out any issues we have with that. And we will be talking to you very soon about what our next steps are to close out the quarter. Important dates. Today we have data meetings. With each grade level, we have our 5th grade super scholars during extended PE, so I will come pick up those 5th graders during their PE time and take them to the classes they're going to go visit. We also have that ACAP reflection form that is going to be due during your data meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. Crazy to think we're already one quarter finished to school almost. That's crazy. October 11th, we have a teacher work day. That means no school for students on Monday. Also, October 11th, your PLP is due, teachers. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. The fundraiser begins. I'm super excited about this. I love those coupon books because I love to go out to eat. So everybody need to be talking to your family this weekend and see how many coupon books they want. October 13th, the iReady representative will be here during extended PE, and we will have 5th grade super scholars. That's next Wednesday. October 14th is our reading PLT. October 25th through 29th is one of my favorite times of the year, the book fair, and October 28th is Read for the Record. Whew, we have a lot going on in October. This week we are highlighting Dyslexia Awareness Week. It is the week of October 4th through the 8th. We have some information that's been sent out from the district, and today our students get to enjoy a read aloud. It is the book The Alphabet War, and it is there's a couple of links on there that you can listen or watch on YouTube. It is a fantastic book. I believe Miss Smith may also have this one in the library. I'll have to double check that. But after your class listens to the read aloud or watches it on YouTube or reads it in your classroom, it is an AR book. So students, after you have listened carefully to that story, even to someone else listen to that story, go on there and take that AR test and get those free AR points. All right. So Alphabet War is a great story, and you will enjoy the story and learning more about dyslexia. Today's word of the day is greater than. Actually, that's 2 words, but greater than. Greater than is used to compare 2 numbers when the first number is larger than the second number. Okay, greater than is the little alligator mouth symbol facing towards the first number. 5 is greater than 3 because we can count more objects with 5 than we can with 3. So greater than. We use that when the first number is the biggest number. We have kicked off our Be a Champion and Read campaign. Remember, you read 6 books, you write them down, you get your parents to sign the form, you bring it back, you get a bookmark, you get your name on the bulletin board, and you could win tickets to the Iron Bowl. I mean, it is a win, win, win right there. So, read your 6 books, take your 6 AR test, get your form signed, bring it back, and then all the good stuff happens after that. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.